Hello and welcome back to SAP Plant Maintenance. This is Farooq from CubeERP. So we are in the second part of creating multiple counter plan. We have already done all the master data involved. So now we will start with creating the counter plan itself. So the transaction is IP43. So let's go to SAP. IP43. So we are saying we're creating a notification with a cycle set. So we're giving the cycle set that we had created earlier. Press enter. Let's give some description, routine maintenance, and if you can see the cycle has already been copied. Oh, okay, anyway, let me press enter. Notification type is M1. So what we need to do is we need to give a counter here, the counter that we had created earlier. I had to change this counter, so the number that you might have in the previous session and in this session would not match. So don't worry about this one. Yeah, the no counter reading has yet been done, so we have not done any reading. The equipment that we have got is car. Press enter, so it should, yes, so it will copy all the data. So we have everything here, and if we go into the second tab of scheduling, in the scheduling parameter, so what we need to check is what sort of operations, because what we are saying is this is performance based or time based, so either performance or time. So that's why we'll choose or link, and once we've done it, we'll just save it. So this will, the start date is 14th and the time. So we have a maintenance plan 376. So once we have a maintenance plan, the next step will be to schedule the plan. But before we can schedule the plan, we need to do create something called measuring document. And in the measuring document, what we do is we basically say what is the counter reading now. So let's go to IK11, and we are going to create a measuring document. And in this document, we are going to say, okay, what is the counter reading that has just been measured? So there's a difference. I mean, in these two fields, we are going to input our value in this field, say 990. So whatever you put in the difference will be added to the counter. So that's what has happened. I just put 990, and so it has been added. So the total counter reading has become 990. So this is the first counter reading. Press enter and save. So this has been done. So the next step is to go back to scheduling. Let me open another session here. IP10, not 1P, IP10. So that was the maintenance plan. Press enter. So now here you can see we have got 990. So but say suppose we're saying that okay, we are starting at 1000, so we don't want to do it this now. So we can come back later. Let's go back to the counter plan, measuring document, and say after maybe a couple of days, the 11 kilometer or the 10 kilometer difference has been done. So I will just add 11 here and say second counter reading, save it. Now let me go back here. So now the reading is 1001. I say, yeah, okay, at this time, this is correct time to start the maintenance. Date time. Okay. Let me change the date. So counter reading and this. So at this time and date, the counter reading is this one. And now we can start our planning. The remaining processes are same as previous, as we have done earlier. What we do is we just select the line, release, save it. So plan has been scheduled. So once the plan is scheduled, as you know, it would have created a notification. So if I go to IW22, so the notification is there. And now the notification is there, and so the technician can work on the notification. If he needs, he can create an order and so on and so forth. Once he's finished, then he can just close this notification. So this is the process of how to create counter plan. So I will end this session here, and in the next one we will take a new topic and start from there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.